Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we will learn about network protocols, the rules that allow computers and devices to communicate with each other across a network. By the end of this video, you will know what a network protocol is, examples of common protocols like HTTP, FTP, IMAP, TCP and more. How these protocols help devices communicate. A network is made up of two or more connected devices. To communicate, they follow protocols, rules that define how data is sent, received, and understood. Without protocols, devices wouldn't know how to talk to each other. Web protocols HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's used by web browsers to request web pages from servers. If something goes wrong, it sends an error code like the familiar 404, page not found. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It works the same way but encrypts data. You will see HTTPS on websites that need extra security like banking or shopping sites. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's used to upload or download files from a server. It requires a username and password to access and is useful for transferring large files. Email protocols. POP. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. POP downloads a new emails from a server to your device. Once downloaded, the emails are usually removed from the server. SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP sends emails from your mail client to the server. It's only for sending, not receiving. IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP keeps your email in sync across devices. It allows you to send and receive emails while leaving a copy stored on the server. Transport Protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TCP splits data into packets, sends them over the internet, and makes sure missing packets are resent. It's reliable and used for most applications. UDP. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. UDP also sends data in packets, but it doesn't resend missing packets. This makes it faster, which is good for live streaming and gaming. Network and Link Protocols. IP. Internet Protocol. IP adds destination addresses to packets so they know where to go. Think of it like writing the delivery address on a letter. Ethernet. Ethernet is a family of protocols for connecting devices in a LAN with cables, such as through switches and routers. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the wireless version connecting devices without cables using radio signals. Here is a quick activity, drag and drop each protocol into its correct category. Thanks for watching. Today you learn about different network protocols and how they help devices communicate. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more easy tech lessons. See you in the next one.